In the realm of hospitality, guest comfort reigns supreme. The AirHealth Wi-Fi air quality sensor is a cutting-edge solution designed to ensure that the air within hotel environments is pristine, safe, and conducive to guest well-being. This sensor is armed with sophisticated technology to detect particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOX, and other pollutants that can compromise the comfort and health of hotel guests. By keeping a constant watch on these elements, it helps create an atmosphere that is both welcoming and safe for breathing. One of the key features of the AirHealth sensor is its real-time alert system. When it detects a decline in air quality, it promptly notifies hotel staff, enabling them to take immediate action to address the issue. This could involve adjusting ventilation systems or employing air purifiers to swiftly restore the air quality to optimal levels. The Wi-Fi connectivity of the AirHealth sensor allows for seamless monitoring and control from any location. Hotel management can access real-time air quality data and receive alerts through a user-friendly app, ensuring they are always in the loop about the conditions within their premises. For hotels dedicated to providing an unparalleled guest experience, the AirHealth Wi-Fi air quality sensor is an indispensable tool. It not only monitors air quality, but also demonstrates a dedication to guest comfort and health, making it a valuable asset in the quest for excellence in hospitality. To learn more about how the AirHealth sensor can benefit your hotel, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be delighted to provide additional information and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.